So recently we learned about one of our young listeners, Alexa. She suffers from a rare metabolic disorder. And one thing that absolutely makes her day is when people sneeze. You weren't supposed to do it now.
I'm sorry.
Jason!
Can I get a tissue?
So this is from your friends at BLI, Alexa. We wish you the best.
Down allergies.
Long Island's #1 for all the hits, 106.1 BLI. It's Al Levine on the...
Like, I don't want to serve her a fake sneeze.
And all the bite is right here in front.
I just want it to be real. I'm snorting Old Bay. It's not happening. Why can't I sneeze?
Can you get me a tissue?
That was so embarrassing.
It's not working.
Why don't you actually try this black pepper?
Oh my god, it's up my nose. This is so awkward.
That was it? Oh, that
Wait, I might have another one. I can probably give you another one. This is funny.